What if Samsung is preparing not just one foldable upgrade this year, but two? Alongside the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 8, a brand new wide version of Samsung's Foldable may also be on the way, and the latest leak is revealing some interesting details about its display, chipset, and battery. Samsung's rumored widescreen foldable has now surfaced with a few additional details. A new leak indicates that the device may feature a 7.6-inch inner display, a flagship-level processor, and a relatively large battery. According to information shared by Tipster Digital Chat Station, the upcoming wide foldable is expected to run on the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset. This would place its performance in the same category as the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 8 and Galaxy Z Flip 8. The device is also said to include a dual-cell battery with a typical capacity of approximately 4,800 mAh. The leak divides this battery into two separate cells, one rated at 2,267 mAh and the other at 2,393 mAh, resulting in a combined minimum capacity of roughly 4,660 mAh. Dual-cell battery systems are widely used in foldable smartphones. Alongside the regular model, there are reports of a wider variant that could use a 4:3 aspect ratio. The internal display is set to measure 7.6 inches, which would actually be 0.4 inches smaller than the Fold 7, but the key difference would be in the overall proportions. The outer screen on this wider version is rumored to be 5.4 inches, mainly designed for quick tasks, such as checking messages or viewing notifications. Moving to a 4:3 aspect ratio could make the device better for watching videos, which has been one of the weaker points of the Fold 7. The current square-like design often creates noticeable letterboxing when playing video content, and this new format could help reduce that issue. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. Forget everything you've seen before, because the foldable game might be about to change forever. Imagine a screen so seamless that the word crease almost stops being part of the conversation. That's exactly the kind of future people are now talking about with the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8. This device isn't being described as just another yearly upgrade. Instead, early reports suggest it could be a major rethinking of how folding displays are designed. The goal appears simple but ambitious: a foldable phone that feels as smooth and solid as a single sheet of glass. The latest buzz comes from well-known leaker Ice Universe. According to his recent comments, Samsung may have made a huge leap forward with the display technology used in the next Fold. He claims the screen he saw looked dramatically improved, with the traditional crease almost impossible to notice, even when viewing the device from different angles. One reason for this improvement could be Samsung's advanced M14 OLED panel materials, which are rumored to power the next generation of Galaxy displays. These panels are expected to deliver brighter output, richer colors, and cleaner whites compared to previous foldable screens. What makes the report even more interesting is that this upgraded display technology might not be limited to a single device. Rumors suggest Samsung could be preparing two foldable models, including the standard Galaxy Z Fold 8 and a new wider foldable variant designed for a larger, more tablet-like experience. If these reports turn out to be accurate, it would address one of the biggest criticisms of foldable phones: the visible crease in the middle of the display. Removing or significantly reducing it would make foldables feel far closer to traditional flagship smartphones. That could also help justify their premium price and push foldables closer to the mainstream. Instead of feeling like experimental devices, they may finally start feeling like fully polished flagship products. Of course, none of this has been officially confirmed by Samsung yet, so it's best to treat these claims as early rumors for now. Still, if the next Fold really delivers a near-creaseless display, it could mark one of the most important milestones in the evolution of foldable smartphones. What do you think about these early Galaxy Z Fold 8 rumors? Would a crease-free foldable finally convince you to switch? Let me know in the comments section.